up. I mean, what's your daddy gonna say if you go back all smushy and stinky like this? That looks good. A little bit here.
You clean up nice, little fella.
I think he's starting to look like me. Hey, Diego, what do you think?
Maybe we shouldn't do this.
Why not?
Because if we save him, he'll grow up to be a hunter. Who do you think he'll hunt?
Maybe because we save him, he won't hunt us. Ow!
Yeah, and maybe he'll grow fur and a long skinny neck and call you mama.
What's your problem?
Nothing. Let's go. Freezing my tail off.
Just what I thought.
Hey, Diego. You frozen back there?
Get down!
Huh?
What?
Shh! Get down and follow me.
Hey, what's going on?
At the bottom of Half Peak, there's an ambush waiting for you.
What?
What do you mean, ambush? You set us up.
It was my job. I was supposed to get the baby, but then
You brought us home for dinner.
That's it. You're out of the herd.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. Not yet.
Listen, I can help you.
Stay close, Sid. We can fight our way out.
You can't. The pack's too strong. You have to trust me.
Trust you? Why in the world would we trust you?
Because I'm your only chance.